It makes a big difference to me because I can always ring her or pull a cord to care line when I need it.
I'd have to go in at home if Kerry wasn't here for me.
Anne, my ILC, is a wonderful person. She's always there when you need her. She calls every Wednesday and she's like a ray of sunshine walking through your door. Smile and big hello. No matter how down you feel, you brighten up when you see Anne in the morning. She helps you with your repairs, she gets in touch with people and the services.
And it's just reassurance that you're not isolated and you lose this feeling of living alone. You know you've got some contact and some help if you need it.